Oh, it's about 11:30 on Saturday. Once again, we cleaned the house up. And then I was planning on doing a whole bunch of sanding on the bunk beds today. But it really looks like it's going to rain. So I'm going to need to check the weather forecast, see how that looks. But for now, the boys wanted to come outside and ride their scooters. That looks suspiciously like rain. I'm going to make sandwiches for us for lunch, and then we'll see how the weather holds up. I have a feeling it's going to be a full day of video editing. So I'll probably go... I've been meaning to make a Fun with Woodworking sign on the X-Carve. So that just may be my big thing for the day. It's 5 o'clock and I'm done with sanding for today. I think I put in about 3.5 hours. I really need to invest in a planer.